we'll have it all digital, and you have to send it to us also digitally. But I'll take you through it so you know what we are talking about. There is a declaration form which clearly states, please complete and submit with your film. And it says, I am the team leader for Falana team participating in MVP 2020, and here is my creative work. This film is a creative work of my team. Also that if you have used previously short footage or not, you have to indicate in the form and sign it and send it to us. Also a request that the tracks are all unreleased, so please do not share it in any public domain. This is a creative event and all of us would like to respect that and support our artists, our musicians who have so willingly contributed. So that is also there in the declaration form. There is a music video location release. Wherever you shoot, say you take the permission of a local club or a local lounge like here, and they give you the permission, that becomes your location. Say you shoot in a gym which belongs to your friend, that would be your location, or your studio, or anywhere, your own colony or complex. Please get this location release signed by him or her. This is to again protect us and you for later kind of claims or any other problems that could potentially come in. There is a materials release project. Say you use somebody's scooter or car or camera, anything as a prop or a material in the film. Again, this helps to protect all of us from any claims that permission was not taken from them. The next one is a waiver and release form. So every cast and crew member of your team, we want one form for each member stating that he or she has willingly worked in your music video, and it should be duly signed by that person. So that is a cast and waiver release form, and that's it. There is one list of all the team members that we would like to know who was part of your cast and crew. So that is not mandatory, but we definitely like to know who was part of your team. So this whole bunch is available online. Like I said, just download it and send it to us before when you submit the film. Any questions on the documents and anything you want to know, or any responses to this? Doesn't look like. Thank you.
I consider BNP and all part of our event. It's the first time a unique event is happening in the city. After the city is known for that. The city is first for many things. The city is the leader. And I'm sure when so many bright and sharp points are present here, the outcome will be fantastic. So today, really we are not little bit curious what is going to happen with this outcome of the event. But I am sure when the efforts are taken and all partners come together, this event will be hopefully will be for every year, it will be every event, and other things are definitely going to follow. As far as the film today is concerned, yes, we are actually supporting this event. And as you know, that film city, both of you must have been shooting there. We cannot be in the industry without association with the film city. Every day we are trying to provide more and more facilities for the filmmaker. We do have the various facilities and concession for the production office and the producer. I request all of you to do visit our website, do come to our film city, do shoot there. As far as this event is concerned, I was just talking to Shimala. For this particular event, if you want to shoot there, you are welcome. We will consider the application or waiver of the charges also. Okay, thank you. All the best.
What a wonderful crowd. I mean, amazed at all the young people who've come and, for this big round of applause for you guys, actually. All the people who have come here and who are going to participate. Let's hope that your film is as good as the music that we have received. Though I haven't heard it, but I've heard that it's really great. Let me tell you how this project got started. Mrs. Shashi Bala, she called me one day and she said, she introduced herself, and I said, okay, I'll come and see you. And she hardly said anything, but somehow I had this gut feeling that this project would work out. So we went and met her, and I introduced her to Yogi and Preeti, and my team was with me, and it just kind of took off because that's how we are at the Kalagoda Arts Festival. We intended to show it at these films at the festival, but unfortunately due to COVID we had to cancel the festival. But we decided we're just still going to go on with the project and have a one-off thing in between. And of course we're going to show it at the next festival, which is in February. And I hope all of you are there, and I hope there are the winners, the losers, all of you come and watch the films. So all I can say is that we didn't do very much, except that I think my role in Kalagoda has always been to be a catalyst. So I'm the one who's introduced A to B to C, and we kind of worked it all out together. And I think that works for us a lot, and it's wonderful that we've had full cooperation from everyone, and here we are today, and I think see you all in another month's time at the awards function which we plan to have. Thank you very much.
इसका स्टार्ट इस तरीके से हुआ, मुंबई को यूनेस्को क्रिएटिव सिटी का डेजिग्नेशन 2019 में मिला था। ये डेजिग्नेशन हर शहर के मेयर को दिया जाता है। ये एक यूनेस्को का इंटरनेशनल डेजिग्नेशन है एज अ क्रिएटिव सिटी, तो मेयर को उसका डेजिग्नेशन दिया जाता है। तो मेयर के बिहाफ में मैं BMC से यूनेस्को में मुंबई सिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करती हूँ, और बिकॉज it is all about celebrating culture of the city, तो culture and creativity। तो उस हिसाब से मुंबई क्योंकि एक is known for film industry, तो उस हिसाब से हमने ये एक पहला यूनेस्को क्रिएटिव सिटी के अंदर इनिशिएटिव लिया एज अ मुंबई एज अ क्रिएटिव सिटी ऑफ फिल्म, wherein we are promoting culture led economic development. So the culture has to bring out all the aspects of the city what Mumbai is known for. So that is how we collaborated with Kalagoda, और 48 Hours फिल्म के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में ये म्यूज़िक वीडियो का आइडिया आया कि म्यूज़िक और फिल्म दोनों को कोलैबोरेट करके मुंबई शहर के बारे में बताया जाए।
बड़ी फिल्म मेकर्स थे कई सारे जो इन्होंने पार्ट किया, उनके बारे में क्या करेंगे वो आर्टिस्ट?
It is very encouraging to see so many people come up and getting involved into this initiative to show what city stands for. So we look forward.
Yeah. And when the finale will happen?
27th August.
Okay. Is there any venue you plan or something?
It would be one of the BMC theatres.
Okay. So what do you have to say about this initiative?
ये बहुत ही यूनिक इनिशिएटिव है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूनिक इनिशिएटिव है। एक्चुअली ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है कि हमने इतने सारे म्यूजिशियंस और फिल्म मेकर्स को जोड़ रहे हैं। 14 म्यूजिशियंस हैं जिन्होंने मुंबई पर गाने बनाए हैं, और 50 के ऊपर फिल्म मेकर्स हैं जिन्होंने ये कंपटीशन में पार्ट लिया है, और वो मुंबई शहर पर एक म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाएंगे, और 14 अगस्त को ये गाने ये म्यूज़िक वीडियो सबमिट होंगे, और 27 को इसका फाइनली स्क्रीनिंग और अवार्ड फंक्शन होगा।
ये कहाँ पे रिलीज़ किया जाएगा जब ये म्यूज़िक वीडियो, या कैसे सिलेक्शन होगा, कुछ ऐसा सोचा आपने?
हमारे बहुत ही उम्दा जूरी हैं, जिनमें शांतनु मोहित्रा जी भी हैं, मिलिंद सर हैं, निमिका हैं, ये बहुत ही इंडस्ट्री के बहुत ही सीनियर लोग हैं। भरत दाभोलकर जी भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं। 7 जूरी मेंबर्स हैं जो ये सिलेक्ट करेंगे, और ये फिल्म ये जो फाइनली ये फिल्म ये म्यूज़िक वीडियोस कालाघोड़ा में भी दिखाए जाएंगे अगले साल, और पॉकेट फिल्म्स पे इस बार रिलीज़ होने वाला है। पॉकेट फिल्म्स पे 15 तक फिल्में रिलीज़ होंगी और प्रमोट होंगी।
जी मैम से जो सपोर्ट मिला उस बारे में क्या कहेंगे एट द एंड?
नहीं, ये सपोर्ट जो है वो एक्चुअली अनबिलीवेबल लेवल का है। हम जब हम एसोसिएट नहीं करते हैं कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बॉडी को इस तरीके का सपोर्ट देते हुए हमें लगता है कि ऐसा होता नहीं है, बट ऐसा हो रहा है। और सपोर्ट सिर्फ सपोर्ट ही नहीं है और सिर्फ एक स्पॉन्सरशिप ही नहीं है, बट एक पूरी तरह एक पार्टनरशिप है जहाँ पे BMC सामने आ रहा है और फिल्म मेकर्स को इनकरेज कर रहा है काम करने के लिए, और एक ओपन परमिशन दी गई है फिल्म मेकर्स को कि जाइए और मुंबई में शूट करिए, जो ऐसा शायद पहले हुआ नहीं है।
और जो गेस्ट आए थे आज पैनल्स में यहाँ पे काफ़ी बड़े बड़े गेस्ट आए थे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनके बारे में? वो बताए लाइक।
हाँ,
फिल्म सिटी के MD सर आए थे, तो उनका काफ़ी सपोर्ट है इस पूरे इनिशिएटिव में, और जो कि पूरी अपना स्टेट का सिंगल विंडो भी हैंडल करते हैं, तो पूरी शूटिंग परमिशंस वो फैसिलिटेट करने वाले हैं।
फाइनल वर्ड्स मैम अबाउट दिस इवेंट।
जब कला और म्यूज़िक और फिल्म का मिश्रण होता है, वो है म्यूज़िक वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट। और मुंबई म्यूज़िक वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट 2022 में एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट साबित हुआ है। बहुत अच्छे म्यूज़िक वीडियोस बनने वाले हैं एंड बड़े से बड़े म्यूजिशियंस, अच्छे टॉप प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस इसमें शामिल हैं एंड वी ऑलरेडी फील दैट इट इज़ अ सक्सेस। अब क्या वीडियोस बनते हैं 14 दिन बाद देखने को मिलेगा, और उसके 15 दिन बाद स्क्रीनिंग और अवार्ड्स में फाइनल डिसीजन बताया जाएगा।